said x squared minus 4 is less than 0. For us to solve it, we use what we call difference of what? 2 squared. Just like this. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times what? A plus b. So when it is done this way, less than times less than is what? Greater than times greater than, less than times less than, and greater than times less than. So from here, okay, you relate it to this using difference of what? 2 squared. And because of this less than 0, what it means is this. Either x minus 2 is less than 0, or what? X plus 2 is greater than what? 0. Because we are choosing either this or this, Abby, so that we have x is less than what? Or x is greater than minus 2. Is it possible for x to be less than 2 at the same time? And x is less than 2 and x is greater than minus 2. Is it possible for x to be less than 2 at the same time greater than minus 2? If yes, we now say minus 2 is less than x, Abby, then x is less than what? 2. So if that is the case, minus 2 is less than x is less than 2. Is that clear? Do you remember how we can arrange this thing again in interval form? You either arrange it like this or what? Are we including minus 2? Are we including minus 2 here? No. You put open bracket. Are we including 2? You put open brackets. So this becomes the answer to this question. But now, why did we have to use all this long process where we can easily say shortcut? X squared minus 4 is less than 0. Okay? Now, either you use calculator method by using mode 5-3. Mode 5-3, fast.
I got it.
Mode 5-3, mode 5-3. Mode 5-3, press it now. Mode 5-3, are you there?
Yes.
1 equal to 0 equal to minus 4. Minus 4 equal to, press first. Then press equal to, what did you get? 2 and minus 2, right? That is all you need. Then whenever you see less than alone, you just use open bracket. Open what? Bracket. That is open interval. Then the lower number will come here. Is that clear? And the bigger number will do what? Come there. That is your answer. Or better still, you just say pick this number that is here. Square root of 4 is what? Plus 2 or minus 2. If it is 1 that is here, square root of 1 is what? Plus 1 minus 1. When you talk about square root, it has a plus or what? Minus. If 16 is here, what will you have? If 4 is here, what will you have? So if this is less than, this is the interval you use. See it here, we have already proved it. It has been proved. So you cram it. Why I have to use this is for you to see how the interval was what? Proved. Then here, you don't need to use it again. Just cram the interval and put it immediately. And that is your answer. Number 2, x squared minus 1 less than or equal to what? 0. Pay attention, okay? It's less than or equal to 0. X squared minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Okay? So you now say again, difference of 2 squared, Abby. Remember, 1 squared is 1. So x minus 1 into what? X plus 1 is less than or equal to, as long as it is less than, you don't have any issue. So you now come here and say, either x minus 1 is less than or equal to what? 0. Or what? X plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. When you've done that, you now say x is less than or equal to what?
1
1. Or what?
minus
X is greater than or equal to minus 1. All these things. Is it possible for x to be less than 1 at the same time greater than minus 1? If it is yes, that means minus 1 is less than or equal to what? X. X is less than or equal to 1. So from here, what do we do again? Are we opening or closing? We are closing because it is including minus 1. Are you seeing it now? So we'll now close and say the answer is what? Close minus 1, comma, 1 and close. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Is what? X squared minus 1 is less than or equal to what? First thing, look at this. It's lacking equality sign, right? Introduce these two. Do you understand? Especially when this place is quadratic expression. So you now say square root of 1 is what? Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus what? Can you put minus 1 here? Can you put plus 1 here? That is the answer. You go to number 3. 2x squared minus x minus 6 greater than or equal to what? 0. So what will you do? This is complete quadratic equation. All the terms are here, right? So in this case, what will you do? 2 times 6 is what? You write 12x squared. Abi? Good. What are the factors of 12? If you subtract them, you get minus 1. 3 and 4. 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1. Abi? Good. You now say, you just write 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to what? 0. So you group them. You do what? Group them. S is common, Abi, and 2 is also what? Common. So I can write 2x. Am I correct? Into what? 2x squared divided by 2s is what? 2x squared divided by 2s is what? Eh? Can I write x here? Good. Minus 4x divided by 2s is what? Shetuba. What is common here? Plus 3, right? Into 3x divided by 3 is what? Can I write s here? Minus 6 divided by 3 is what? Minus what? That shows that I'm very correct. If I have something here, the same thing. So I'll now say 2x plus 3 into what? X minus 2. I've landed here again. Are you there? So in this case, I want to prove another thing again so that we'll stop using this long process. So here, you have that greater than or equal to what? 0. Either 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to what? 0. Or what? X minus 2 is greater than or equal to what? 0. Have you seen that I'm using greater than 2 times? Because plus times plus, plus. Plus times plus, plus. Use and here. So from here, can I say 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3? Divide both sides by what? 2. Can this cancel this? So x is greater than or equal to minus what? 3 over 2. You keep it. Is that clear? Then you come over here again, and you notice that x either is greater than or equal to what? 2. You keep this one. If you watch, both of them are going in the same what? Direction. Either s is going this way, s is going this way. But how do we arrange this x value so that it will be making sense? Watch this. Instead of saying x is greater than, s is greater than, listen and pay attention. I will quickly write, remember I've been writing the other time, minus 3 over 2. If s is greater than minus 3 over 2, I will now say minus 3 over 2 is less than or equal to what? X. Have I written this before? But coming to this place, s is still greater than or equal to 2. So it will not rhyme here. Are you with me? I will now say this, or we are not having two answers. Do you get it now? We are having two answers. Minus 3 over 2 less than or equal to s. If this one was x is less than or equal to 2, I will just fix it here. Abi? It will be x is less than, that is and. But because it's not rhyming up, this is still s is greater than or equal to. I will not go and start writing x is greater than or equal to 2. And here, minus 3 over 2 is less than. I will not write this. It's not correct. So what will I now do? I will take this and write it the way it is. I'll write x is greater than or equal to what? 2. But I've already introduced what? Or. Insert. Or is what? Union. Or is what? Or is what? Do you know that we did something on linear inequalities where I said minus 3 over 2 less than or equal to x, or let's say x is greater or equal to minus 3 over 2. Do you remember this? What it means is that this minus 3 over 2, okay, is single. Are you getting it now? But pay attention. This one now, as it stands, is okay. But if you find it out, you notice that x is to negative infinity, Abi, and this x is to what? Positive infinity. You now write minus negative infinity. You open it to what? Minus 3 over 2. You close it. Because of this or, you put union. Are you there? And you continue moving again. X is to positive what? Infinity, plus starting from where? 2. X is to negative infinity, but starting from where? Minus 3 over 2. Do you understand now? So you now start from here and say close to positive what? Infinity. I have generated this one again. Anytime you see a question that has this, don't solve to this extent. I want you to do this. Open, especially when it is slack. Open negative what? Infinity. Close it. Union. Close it. Open positive infinity. Then you can quickly solve with calculator method, mode 5, 3. So that this becomes your shortcut. Are you with me? So always remember this. Then press mode 5, 3. Fast. Shut up. Mode 5, 3. Have you finished? Good. What do you get? And what again? 2. Then put here the smaller number, which is minus 3 over what? 2. And put here the bigger number, which is what? 2. Do you have the same answer? Yes, without following all this process. Remember that this is slack inequality. It has a pattern. And remember also that when you have the pattern, this is quadratic expression, you use mode 5, 3. So these are the two things you use to trash this question within 2 lines. The first line is mode 5, 3. Second line is expressing it the way the answer is meant to be.